What if your dream wedding turned into a financial nightmare before the honeymoon even started? What if a single emergency sent your savings into witness protection? Yeah, life events are expensive, and nobody warns you until it's way too late. You're planning the big stuff: marriage, a baby, maybe a shiny new car. Sounds exciting, right? Until the wedding costs more than your entire student loan. The baby? A poop machine that eats 15,000 a year. The car? Oh, it broke down before the ink dried on the loan. And suddenly, your life milestones feel like budget landmines. Now you're not building a life, you're building debt. Relatable? Let's keep going. Here's the truth. Big life events are predictable. Your financial panic afterward doesn't have to be. The secret? Plan for the event, not just the moment. Emergency fund equals your financial seatbelt. Insurance equals peace of mind before the storm. Budget buffer equals celebration without regret. This isn't financial advice, it's survival gear. Let me tell you about Emma and Chris. They saved $10,000, booked the perfect venue, then came the dress, the DJ, the cousin who must fly in from Spain. Total damage, $35,000. They spent their honeymoon avoiding eye contact with their credit card bill. It took them 2 years to crawl out of that wedding. And it wasn't even that memorable. The only thing they wish they'd invited? A budget. First, build an emergency fund, just $1,000 to start. Second, list upcoming life events, now triple their costs. Third, get the right insurance before life says, surprise. Fourth, shrink the event, not the memory. You don't need a $30,000 wedding for a $30 love story. 60% of Americans don't have $1,000 saved for emergencies. And funerals average $8,000. You can't even die cheap anymore. Think adulting is all brunch and new apartments? Wrong. It's bills wearing party hats. I used to think savings were for someday. Then someday turned into a hospital bill, and I was out of luck and money. But planning, boring, plain old budgeting, became my peace. Now I sleep better knowing life can throw a punch, but I've got financial gloves on. And that peace, it's worth more than any 5-tier cake or surprise baby shower. Now, if you think life events are sneaky, wait until you see what inflation does behind the scenes. Your savings, quietly melting. Your budget, losing value while you blink. Watch the next video, The Impact of Inflation on Personal Finance. It's eye-opening and slightly terrifying in a good way. Subscribe now to build a wallet that can survive everything: weddings, babies, and even global economics.